What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kaleniam Durga Puja bala pendep da kirim ngai Hindu basyong basa hajawai kalakut no hakalai terik risau da ka jing pengam yaki blei hapok kelem ka bedai kebenta jong ka wak mentedu. Ya kaleniam le rukom bala penyait da ka Sarba Janin Durga Puja Committee la pendep Hashif Mandir ka badan hayau musyang jawai. Hakanok pai sengi kiri ungai Hindu kilayami bajba da ka bepenkit yaki blei tau ha ka kali ban lej bread yaki hawa ha ka jinsen renlang ki long kemi bat ki kena ki bala syat lenter lenti nadu Nashif Mandir hadu banda poi hawa mentedu ka badan hapok kelem ka jaka ban pengam yaki blei.
Well, I'll start by wishing everyone a very happy Durga Puja. I thank the media also who is covering this bite, so that I got the opportunity to extend my wishes to all the different communities of the district, the state as well as country. At this auspicious time of celebrating our Durga Puja, I extend my heartfelt good wishes and my prayers that we as human beings remain honest, humble and have a brotherhood, a sense of brotherhood amongst us. In fact, this festival of Durga Puja is a festival which is an extravaganza of celebrations, wherein we celebrate the divine power of the goddess Durga, the feminine power, which shows or portrays rather the good getting the victory over the negative, over the darkness. And by celebrating this puja, we also spread the message of peace and prosperity to the entire humankind all over the world. So with these few words, I'd like to thank your media and as well as the district administration, the police administration, the various other departments, the Rangbachnong of different localities of the district of Jawai, who have extended their extensive cooperation and help to make us happen this celebration, a grand and beautiful celebration.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.